Another Mustang here being offered for sale. 2003 Ford Mustang GT. Beautiful red fire metallic paint. This particular car, clean Carfax on it. No accidents, no indication of any paint work. This thing has been definitely well taken care of, and as I walk around it kind of point some of the things out. That number one, the paint, not all chipped up, scratched up, anything like that, as you can see from the front fascia. Good looking old chin spoiler on there down at the bottom too. And anything, if it was a little chip or something, has been touched up. You can kind of see that one there. But again, considering the age of this car, very, very nice shape. 37,000 miles, a little bit over. So not a real high mile car. Again, clean Carfax, confirms miles. Gonna have a Cobra R style Steeda wheel. That has been added to it. Borla exhaust has been added to it. No crazy engine modifications or anything like that. Got a nice little rumble to it with that Borla exhaust. And you can look up and down the sides of this car. Not door dinged, not all chipped up. You can see the luster in the paint reflecting off the floor and windows. Ceiling also, you get the reflection from the ceiling. This red fire metallic, one of the cooler paint colors. The New Edge Mustangs here. Check out the still pictures. Underside of this car, just as clean. Tell it hasn't been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. See the underside, see the engine bay interior. Has cloth interior to it, 5-speed manual. Of course, nicely loaded. Power rear mirrors both sides, power windows. CD player, AC, traction control, ABS, all of that good stuff. Feel free to give us a call too. I'd be happy to discuss this car with you. 507-386-1726. Here's a couple other things been added a little bit. Obviously, aluminum gas cap door, and what I think kind of sets this car off, no wing. Wing has been taken off, and I mean the trunk lid is finished off nicely. It's not modified, just the fact that that wing's off there, and it gives this car a nice clean look to it. Mustang letters inlaid in the back in silver. See the Borla exhaust tips down there. Very, very nice Mustang. You don't always see them in this nice a shape, that is for sure. And considering it's a 2003, let's check out this interior. This just amazed me too. Look at the seats, where they typically be wear. You can see no rips, tears, no wear that's out of the ordinary. Carpeting, everything, door cards. It's as nice, as near as to new as I think you could get for a 2003 with 37,000 miles. Let's fire this up so you can hear it. I'll pop that hood too so you can see how clean the engine bay is. AC blows ice cold. No check engine lights, anything like that on. Just the seat belt, since I don't have that on. There's your 37,506. Everything you'd expect in the interior here, and like I said, AC blows cold. You can hear the compressor kick on and off. It's really hot here today, so notice that right away. Slip out back so you can hear this Borla exhaust. Nice sound to it out of that 4.6. Single overhead cam V8. Slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this video for a second. We'll pop the hood, take a look underneath there, so you can see how clean it is, and listen to this baby run. There you go, hood popped open. Just look at how clean that engine bay is. Here's another thing, look at the hood liner, and there's hardly any discoloration to that. You can tell it hasn't been driven in the winter with salt or anything like that. No stains up on that from tread coming in through the front. Again, 37,000 miles. Check out any of the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Phone number to reach me, 507-386-1726. We'd be happy to answer any questions you may have on this. Clean Carfax, no accidents, no evidence of any paint work. 2003 Ford Mustang GT, the beautiful red fire metallic paint. Give us a call.